Amaqembu i-ATM, EFF, MK Party ne-UAT anikele enkantolo yomthethosisekelo eyophikisa isinqumo senkantolo ephakeme yase-Western Cape njengoba i-EFF yona ifuna inkantolo ilalele lolu daba ngoNcwaba u-August. Kanti amaqembu i-ACDP, UDM, Action SA, BOSA ne-DA athi azinxusa yona inkantolo yomthethosisekelo ukuba idlulise lolu daba ngokwayo.
The view of the committee is that the Western Cape High Court judgment should be appealed. So even as we add, that's the decision of the committee, and all members have participated in the vote.
Lokhu kwenzeke ngesikhathi leli komiti linomhlangano ukulungiselela ukuqala komsebenzi walo. Kobe kuphungwa emhlanganweni wanamhlanje kukhona kukho imithetho leli komiti elizosebenza ngaphansi kwayo kanye nokuqokwa kozohola ubufakazi. Kunombono wezomthetho wokuthi umbiko wephalaphala uphinde uzokwethulwa phambi kwekomiti eliphenya umengameli. Kepha ihlukene imbono ngalesiphakamiso.
Chair, I don't know why we want to go around in circles. We've got the rules of parliament that clearly stipulates the process of impeachment. A motion was tabled to the speaker. The speaker then took the motion to establish the independent panel report, a committee which produced the report. The independent panel, its main duty or its purpose was to establish if there is a prima facie, and it has done exactly that. They've concluded what they needed to do, which is their mandate. The mandate of this committee is now to establish the veracity of the allegations. And we do that by calling witnesses and assessing the evidence that they will put before us. So there's no point of calling the independent panel to come back to present to us.
The authors of the report ought to come and present it to the committee at an appropriate point. As it is now, the president has taken it for review, meaning there are questionable things that are there. Because this can't be a one-way street. The president ought to find fairness in the entire process.
But where I come from, the report is before us. It would be wrong to call the authors of the report to come and give evidence regarding the report that has already been tabled and that has already served before the Constitutional Court when it reserved judgment.
Chair, ndiyakucela khawusinqandele ezi tactics ozama udelay le process, because if it's not ngapha e-court through legal processes kulapha ngaphakathi kule committee.
Ikomiti lizoqhubeka namalungiselelo okuqala ukuphenya umengameli lisalinde isinqumo ngokubukezwa kombiko wephalaphala enkantolo ephakeme yase-Western Cape ngoMandulo uSeptember.